Imoya iphasi ngemva kwesehlakalo esiphulumoya sokuthunjwa komntwana ofunda lapha esenzeke namhlanje ekseni eMayfair.
My daughter saw when the mother dropped the child off, my daughter just saw a big guy coming outside the car with a gun, pointing the gun, then just took the child and put the child inside the car. So I heard the screaming. I asked her, what's happening, my daughter? So she was so traumatized, she couldn't even tell me.
The mother first dropped the sibling at the bottom gate, and then they came up and dropped her at this gate, yeah.
Umnyango wezemfundo uthe bona uzwe umkhosi weqa msinyana. Abafundi ababone isehlakalo lesi bathotshwe umkhumbulo.
The sensitivity around the allegation of kidnapping, that's why we did not give you her name, and we still maintain that we're not going to do that now. You'll understand that the police are investigating this matter. For us as the department, it's just to confirm that yes, the incident occurred, and we have confirmation from the MEC to say that he's quite concerned.
Lithe lingafika nendlebeni zababelethi bona umntwana udzwebulwe esikolweni. Beqa nabo bayokuthi khiya esikolweni bafuna ilwazi lokuthi kwenzeke njani. Bafuna nokuthola iqiniso lokuthi abantwana babo baphephile na.
We were very terrified. You know, you start your day every morning, your child is being dropped by the transport as usual. An hour later now you receive news there's been abduction, there's police and whatsoever. You have to leave your work. I'm a nurse. You have to leave critical patients and run for your son. And now we didn't have even enough information what exactly happened. When he gets here, the gates were already closed.
Amapolisa asaphenya.